back. I look round and round, and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a character that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the truculent trees, the bright colored tops of the truculent trees, mile after mile in the fresh blown breeze. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. From there to here, from here to there, fantabulous things are everywhere. And just look at that red and white hat. I'm sure it belongs to that black and white cat. And look out below! It's that new Magoo Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth. It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass two unbudging sacks, both stubbornly stuck unbudged in their tracks. Now keep your eyes peeled for sneetches. They are known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard nose. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wanted one and calls out, "Yoo-hoo! Come into the house, Dave!" She doesn't get one. All 23 kids of hers come on the run. Farewell to the sneetches at the end of our fun. No time for more, we're almost done. We swing around the corner and dash through the gate. We ride to our stop, and we feel simply good.
Well, I have to admit, there's probably not a better message from Dr. Seuss in this day and time for what I just wrote and what I just saw. Star-bellied sneetches, and then your regular sneetches. And one didn't fit. Interesting. Kind of the same thing in our society today. What did Dr. Seuss know that we didn't? What did he realize that we didn't? What a great message for us today. What a great message for me today. For everybody. Dr. Seuss spoke to me today. So I'm glad he's here. I'm glad he's in this park. Ride the ride. It's awesome. You'll really enjoy it. Very colorful. And take time to read the different segments that are there because they're awesome.